Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss JEE Main NEET Class 12 Physics Semiconductor Devices Problems on Logic Gates. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Part 1. Convert the decimal number 37 into its equivalent binary number. Here we have to convert this decimal number to equivalent binary number. Let us go to the solution. Here now we are converting binary number 37. See here, from 2 1 ja, 2 18 ja, 36 and remainder 1, and again 2 9 ja, 18, remainder is 0, and then 2 4 ja, 8 1, and 2 2 ja, 4 0, 2 1 ja, 2 0, and 2 0 1. Here from down to we have to write the binary number for decimal number 37. So 37 is equals to here 1 0 0 1 0 1 base 10. For decimal representation, here this is the convert the decimal 37 into its equivalent binary number. So for this its equivalent binary number is 100 101 base 10. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Convert decimal 576 into its equivalent binary number. Now we are converting 576 into its equivalent binary number. Now let us go to the solution. This given decimal number is 576. See here, 2 2s are 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, the remainder is 0, and then 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja, 0, and then 2 72 ja, 0, and then 2 36, remainder is 0, and then 2 18 ja, remainder is 0, and then 2 9 ja, remainder is 0, and then continuation here I am writing, and then with 2 here with the 2 table we are dividing, and then 2 4 ja 1, 2 4 ja 8, remainder is 1, 2 2 ja 4 0, and then 2 1 ja 2 0, 2 0 1. Here from top to bottom, first bottom to top we have to write. So its equivalent binary number is 1. First from here to we should calculate 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 base 10. Okay, 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, 6 zeros. Here 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is the equivalent binary number of 576. Next we will go to the next question. Convert binary 110010, its equivalent decimal number. Here in this question they given the binary number and we have to calculate its equivalent decimal number. Let us go to the solution. Here see here the given binary number is 110010. So here first we have to write like this 2 0, and first digits 2 power 0, and second digit 2 power 1, and second one 2 square, and third 1 2 3 fourth one 2 cube, and this 2 power 4 and this 2 power 5. So after first we have to write like this, and then we have to multiply each and every one. 2 power 5 into, consider this one by number 1, plus 2 power 4 into 1, plus 2 cube into 0, plus 2 square into 0, plus 2 power 1 into 1, plus 2 power 0 into 0. So that is equals to 2 power 5 nothing but 32. 32 ones are 32. 2 power 4 16. 16 ones are 16. 2 power 3 8. 8 into 0 0. 2 square 4. 4 into 0 0. And 2 power 1 2. 2 into 1 2. And here anything power 0 1, and 1 into 0 0. So that is equals to 32 plus 16 plus 2 50. So its equivalent decimal number is, therefore 110010 base 10 is equals to 50 base 2. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Convert binary number 111101 into its equivalent decimal number. Okay, now we are converting this binary number to decimal number. Now let us go to the solution. The given binary number is 111101. So here first digit we should write 2 power 0, 2 power 1, and 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Now we multiply this one. So that is equals to 2 power 5 into 1 plus 2 power 4 into 1 plus 2 cube into 1 plus 2 square into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 0 plus 2 power 0 into 1. So that is equals to 32 2 power 5 32. 32 1 ja 32. 2 power 4 16. 16 1 ja 16. 2 power 2 cube 8. 8 1 ja 8. 2 square 4. 4 1 ja 4. 2 power 1 2. 2 into 0 0, plus anything power 0 1. So 2 power 0 1. 1 into 1 1. So that is equals to 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. So this complete 61. 16 plus 4 20, 29, 31, 30 plus 61. So the given binary number is 111101 base 10 is equals to, its equivalent decimal number is 61 base 2. Okay, next we will go to the next question. In this question, find the output Y for the following circuit. See, this is the circuit. Here we have to calculate output Y for this circuit. So here A bar dot B, and here A plus B bar. Now let us go to the solution. Here A bar, and here B, and here B bar, and here A. Y is equals to A bar dot B dot A plus B bar. Next A bar dot A plus A bar dot B bar dot B dot A plus B dot B bar. So that is equals to 0 plus A bar dot B bar dot B dot A plus 0. Okay, next write y is equals to a bar dot b bar dot a bar. So y is equals to a bar dot b bar. So this can be written as a plus b bar a dot b, that is equals to 0 for a and b is equals to 0 for a and b is equals to 0. Now substituting in the place of a and b, 0 0, so 0 bar plus 0 bar, 0 dot 0 is equals to 1 dot 0, that is 0. And the next a and b is equals to 1, so y is equals to 1 plus 1 bar 1 dot 1, that is equals to 0 into 1, that is equal to 0. So next a is equals to 1 and a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 0. So y is equals to 1 plus 0 dot 1 dot g, that is equal to 0 dot 1, that is equals to 0. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Find the output y for the following circuit. See, this is the circuit and we have to calculate the output y. Now here a bar and here a plus b. So output, now let us go to the solution. Y is equals to a dot a plus b, that is equals to a dot a plus a dot b. So y is equals to a plus a dot b, that is equals to a. So now for a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 0, y is equals to 1 plus 1 dot 0, that is 1 plus 0, that equals to 1. And the next one, for a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, y is equal to 0 plus 0 and dot 1, that equal to 0. So y is equals to a. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Find the output y when all inputs are first high and then low. See this figure here. First all inputs are first high and then low. Suppose here we are taking 1 comma 0 and here also 1 comma 0 and here 1 dot 1, that is equal to 0, or 0 dot 0 is equals to 1 for. Now let us go to the solution. For a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 1 and then y is equals to 0. So for a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. So y is equals to 0 comma 1. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Construct truth table for the function y of a and b as shown in figure. See, we have to construct the truth table for the function. See, these are the truth tables as shown in figure 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll calculate here a, b, this is a bar plus b and here output and here also a plus b bar. So now let us go to the solution. Y is equals to a bar plus b plus a plus b bar. This is equals to y is equals to a bar plus b bar dot a bar plus b bar. So that is equals to a bar dot b bar dot a bar dot b bar. Next, y is equals to a dot b bar dot a bar dot b. So this can be written as a dot a bar and a dot b dot a bar dot b bar dot b bar dot b. So that is equals to 0 a dot b dot a bar dot b bar dot 0. So y is equals to 0. So the first option is correct. So option 1 is correct. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. The diagram of a logic circuit is given below. The output F of the circuit is represented by, see this logic circuit, the diagram of logic circuit is, now we have to calculate output of the circuit F. Here output they given as F. Now let us go to the solution. Here W plus X and here W plus Y. Now here F is equals to output F is equals to W plus X and dot W plus Y. So this is equals to W dot W plus W dot Y plus W dot X plus X dot Y. So next we can write it as F is equals to W plus W of X plus Y plus X dot Y. So F is equals to W plus the X plus Y, W plus 1 of X dot Y, X dot Y. So that is equals to W plus X dot Y. Since W plus 1 is equals to 1. So F is therefore F is equals to W plus X dot Y. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. The correct Boolean operation represented by the circuit diagram drawn is, see here this, what is the correct Boolean operation for this circuit. Here when A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0 and Y is equals to 1. Now let us go to the solution. When A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, then Y is equals to 1, and when A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0, Y is equals to 1. So next one, when A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1, then Y is equals to 1, and last one, when A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1, then Y is equals to 0. The output is low only when both inputs are high in NAND gate. The output is low only when both inputs are high in NAND gate. Okay, thanks for watching this video.